Hi everyone, it's Louis from Yachts Co International Boat Sales in Milford Haven. So today we are looking at this Valiant 520 DR rib. This is an immaculate boat. She's 2002, but she's like new. And we have a 2023 Suzuki 100 horsepower outboard engine. Let's have a quick look around. This boat is in amazing condition for its age. The tubes are immaculate. It's 2002 and you would be excused to think that this was 12 months old. That's how clean she is. She has been extremely well looked after by her owner, and the engine is a 2023 Suzuki 100 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard engine. 12 hours on that, just 12 hours. Full warranty, still in warranty, that's transferable to the new owner. What a package. And she's on a single axle unbraked road trailer. Again, this is in really nice condition. Perfect for launching, a nice quick and easy launch. She'll tow anywhere that you want her to. She hasn't been anti-fouled, as you can see. She's in the original white gel coat. The original red tubes, original black rubbing strake, and then inside here we have the seat in the bow with storage underneath. You normally put your anchor and chain and things in there. Helm with a double jockey seat, so that jockey seat will seat two, and then you have all your engine controls, steering, Garmin GPS, Lawrence fish finder, and down here you've got the ICOM VHF bilge pump switch. This is the engine display screen. Handholds here, handholds all around as original from Valiant, and then you have a bench seat at the back that will seat a further two people. Storage beneath there. Back here we've got access into the bilge here. Fuel lines, electrics, cables going to the engine. Fuel tank is below decks. Got the engine, as I said before, 2023, 12 hours, immaculate condition. Elephant trunks on the back. Drop those down, gives you a self-draining deck when you're underway. Right down here she's got the usual drain bung. She's just loose at the moment because she's on the trailer, so we don't want her filling up with water. Oars positioned here, nicely, neatly tucked away. She's got an electric bilge pump fitted, engine controls here, access into the underhelm, and you can see the battery is in there with all the both wiring. Non-slip deck, all original Valiant. This is a huge amount of rib for the money. 5.2 meters. On a road trailer. An engine that's practically brand new, still under warranty. This is what you would call turnkey ready. A beautiful boat and a really good family boat. Go out onto the estuary here in Milford Haven, or take us further out to sea. Have some real fun with it. And tow. You'll tow toys. We've got the towing eyes. See them here. Got towing eyes both sides. So you can tow toys, ski, wakeboard. The world's your oyster with this boat. It's turnkey ready. So just a short one today, but I think you'd agree this is immaculate for 2002. 2023 engine. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that gives you a little bit of insight into a Valiant 520. If you are interested in this boat, it's up on brokerage. We are April 2025. I'll put a link in the description below to her advert. Take a look, or if you're looking for one of these, then you've had a nice little walk around tour. You can see what they are, and you can see the condition that these Valiants do stay in when you look after them, because they are very, very good quality rib. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.